Hello guys, today we are here at Fidget indoor playground and it is Jasmine's first time to go to indoor playground. So let's see her. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. When you're happy and you know you clap your hands. You like it? Yeah? Careful. So this is a Fidget indoor playground and we were just here a couple minutes ago. There are a lot of kids playing. And our little Jessie is busy. Jasmine! Hi. Where's Jeremiah? Careful, Dad. So this is Fidget, guys. It's a nice place. There's like a dress up on the floor where you choose like princesses dresses and everything. There's slide, but there's a bigger slide over here. There's a little swing and cars. Push pull cars. Hey, Dad, careful, careful. Wow. Hi. Oh, that's it. I'll be stopping this video because we're about to leave. So I hope you guys enjoy. You can visit here. It's by Rainbow and Robindale. So it's just like 3 minutes away from our house. So this is the indoor playground, guys. It's nice. Hi, Ate.